Hello and welcome to Jumpstart API front-end and back-end coding and using experience. This course is going to give you a robust, strong start understanding and utilizing API on the front side and on the back side. This brief introduction will tell you what you are going to understand or what you are going to achieve in this course in simplified way. We are going to simplify API. We are going to make it in the simplest, straightforward way so you understand what does API mean, how to use it, how to create your endpoints, and how to even program your own server that's going to act like an API, and you're going to see all the limitations of the APIs and how to use them and how to go over them. My name is Rezika. I'm a certified project management professional. I'm a certified maintenance management professional and maintenance and reliability professionals. I've been for 25 years building digital apps for myself, and I thought that it's better to join it with all the people who likes the digital skills, because now everything is API, everything is digital, and everyone on the web needs to understand this, to utilize this, and to use this. We're going to understand this together in a straightforward and simple way that you can understand it, and we'll know all the acronyms, all the codes that you need on Node.js, on JavaScript, on Apps Script, and on many platforms. The app we are going to build includes even 3 or 4 APIs mixed together, working together in harmony to create a perfect, complete app. Just we are going to share with you how to create step by step your app and all the data you need about the browser, because the browser is linked to the website. Website is downloaded to your browser. You don't see how they are linked together. We are going to show you how they are linked together and how the data is exchanged between them. We are going to build the user interface together on the HTML, CSS, and on the JavaScript. And after that, the browser is, when you are working with a website, the browser is calling your API server, which we are going to build an API server ourselves using Node.js. And this API server is going to access some data, and this data may be on a third-party API that's having its own endpoint, and we're going to see how to create and analyze all of this. And there's another track when you are programming a web app, browser is interacting with your web app or website together with the browser. That's all is called the client side or the front end programming. We are going to see how to create our own server, our own endpoints, and how to use the endpoints and the documentation of existing APIs efficiently. And all of this is communicating with the API server we are going to create. As we said, we are going to link together 3 or 4 APIs working together in the real life application we are going to create together. And this will take us to the back end on the Node.js, and we'll see how to use the modules and how to use the Postman tool to investigate the documentation of Goggle. That's on the front end side, and on the back end side you are going to create together step by step your code, and not create the code only, but understand the code so you can do it yourself. Again, drop us anytime a question on the Q&A and we will answer you in a short while. We're going to understand a lot of theory, a lot of acronyms used in the industry, and so you can use them professionally if you're having an interview, if you are explaining to someone, if you are reading some articles, you will understand a bit by bit the information so you can build it yourself. Again, we are not going to give you a fish, we are going to teach you how to go fishing. We're going to give you a stick that will help you go fishing by understanding a bit by bit of the code we are going to generate together. We are going even to work with authorization, Google authorization, that's going to be updated on 2023 on August. That will be replaced. The identity service modules will replace all of the other modules, and it's a very huge transformation for Google and all Google users, and they are going to see how to make it here the new libraries and how to use the new libraries here in this training with live examples, and how to use the authorization, authentication, and separate them or use them together, and how to access the backend data using Google platform or using the other web API platform. You are going to reach a level of understanding and mastering of the APIs using and coding that you will be satisfied with. Click join. See you inside the course to start directly.